When you think the problem is out there, and you think the problem is in your roommate, and you think that the problem is in your mother, and you think the problem is in your father, and you think the problem is in the something, that very thought, as we've said many times, when you point at somebody, you have 3 fingers pointing at yourself. And one of the problems I think that we have, one of the challenges, let me say better, that I think we all have, each and every one of us. It was funny that I told that to Yisrael when I saw him. I said, you look great, you look great, you look great, the shine. And he's like, Yisrael's a humble guy. He's like, nah. I'm like, Yisrael, you've heard me say this many times. There's only one person who you can't see. There's only one person who you can't see, and that's yourself. Why? Because the yetzer hara doesn't want you to be able to see you. You could have everybody else. How many times? We're learning this in misjudge Sharm at night, which, by the way, I encourage everybody. It's a 9 under 10 minutes, right? Bensi can testify. Last night we went a little bit over 10. 10 minutes will change your life. Come after Marav. I'm just telling you. Come after Marav. Come after Marav. We're learning about it, about the fact that you could have everybody say something about you. Until you're ready to accept what people are saying about you, you could say, yeah, you're great, you're awesome, you're this, you're that, you're this, right? The guy who has a little hole in his cup. Oh, I'm supposed to give a shout out for the new canteen, the Popper new canteen that is coming, I think, what is it, tonight, Mishalom? You don't know? Yeah, you say it with some...
Mishalom's cookies, everybody.
Mishalom's cookies. A new, fresh canteen coming tonight to everyone. Okay, I was asked to say that, so I said it. I'm happy that we're improving. The canteen was great. It's not a stira. As I tell people, right, I have a great marriage, Baruch Hashem. I want to have a better marriage. It's not a stira. It's not a contradiction. Bli ayin hara. I have a great marriage. Bli ayin hara. Bli ayin hara. Bli ayin hara. Bli ayin hara. Married 32 years. Bli ayin hara. Bli ayin hara. The clap. Thank you for the clap. The clap goes for the fact that I have Bli ayin hara, a great marriage. I want to have a better marriage today, and tomorrow a better marriage, and the day after that. Yeah. And I want to, and it's not a stira to say that Bensi Newman's a great guy, right? Wait. And to say that he's sitting in shir to become a better guy. Why is that a stira? That's not a contradiction. It's not a contradiction. What happens is when we're looking, when you have a hole in your cup, when you have a hole within yourself, you have a hole somewhere, and you're looking to fill that up from other people, not with other people. From other people. Nobody can fill that up except for yourself. Now, I could have my friends to tell me about me. And I could say, well, why don't you give me insight about me? Why don't you give me insight? And everyone says, you know what you have to work on? I had this once in yeshiva. Someone came over to me. This is probably 6-7 years ago. Someone came over to me and he says, how do I learn about myself? And know what I told him? And I couldn't believe he did it. He says, how do I learn more about myself? I say, go over to 5 of your friends, go over to 3 of your rebbeim, and make a list of things that they feel that I need to work on. What are some of my strengths and what are some of my weaknesses? So that's not a contradiction to say that I have everything within myself. It's just I can't always see myself. I need other people to show me. And what do I need to do? I need to maybe learn to be open to accept what they're saying about me and not to fight it. Not to fight it.